Hey everybody, Gina Jet here again. So I just got a really interesting question in my DMs, and I thought this would be a really good time to address it. Somebody just asked me if I would be willing to train them how to open up their own transformation studio. And the answer is a resounding yes. I would love to train other people to do what I do. And the reason is because there are almost no other services like mine around the country. By the way, in case you're curious, my business is called Transitions Makeup and Photo in Los Angeles. And my website is tgtransitions.com. So there's only a small handful of us in the entire country that does this. And almost every single day I get people asking me if there's another service that I know of that I could refer them to in some other town. And it's been bothering me for years. So I would love to be able to train other people to do what I do. And so if you're interested in talking about that, please send me a message and we can discuss it, because I can teach you how to do makeup, obviously, and photography for studio, but studio lighting and wardrobe styling and all kinds of other facets of image retouching, all those kinds of things to operate your own professional makeup and photography studio. So if this is something that you think you'd be interested in, please get in touch with me and we can talk about it. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.